Have you been dreaming about owning a 4-bedroom condo that's walkable to the beach and has this great pool? I have just the answer for you. This is Melanie Engel of Flamingo Beach Realty, the premier luxury brokerage here in this beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today, we're at one of my new exclusive listings. We are in Hacienda Pinilla. It's a top luxury community, and we are one of the newer condos. It's number 58 of Lago de Palma. I cannot wait to show you. Please enjoy this property tour with us today. I'm so excited to show you this contemporary condo. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, almost 4,000 square feet, and it's over 2 levels. Let's go check it out together. Coming into this condo, it has a very bright light field. You've got a wall of windows with jungle all behind you, and it's got beautiful details of the ceiling. I love that they've used the beachy colors of the blues and the creams and the sand color. I can imagine just hanging out here and just enjoying these beautiful views. This is pretty cool. The house is all ready for you to entertain. It's got its own bar. You can make wines, cocktails, anything to serve your guests. This is such a happy kitchen. I think it has to do with all the brightness of it all. Here you've got a stone countertop, these really cool cupboards, and again, you've got views of the lake and also views of the forest. You have quite a large covered terrace out here. You could even include a dining table out here if you like. They do have a barbecue, and from here, you're just steps away from the lake. Check out the pechote tree. It's a protected tree in Costa Rica. What a great way to take a break or start your morning, going for a hike around your lake. There are a total of 4 bedrooms in this house, 1 downstairs and 3 upstairs. Here's the downstairs bedroom. You have a queen bed, quite a large walk-in closet, and you've got a beautiful bathroom that has 2 sinks. Also on the main level, you're going to find a gorgeous powder bathroom. You're going to find a large storage closet. You've got the laundry, and now we're going to check out the bedrooms. 3 of them are upstairs. Come on. Here at the top of the stairs, you're going to find this great storage unit. This would be a wonderful spot also for an office, or it would be a great place for a kids' play area. Here on the 2nd floor, you find the master suite. It has a king bed, a large TV, a really beautiful bathroom. And by the way, the whole house comes furnished, and you've got this large terrace to enjoy the beautiful outdoors in Costa Rica. On the 2nd floor terrace, there's 2 bedrooms that have access to it. From here, you have gorgeous views of the lake and the walking trail, and you're right at eye level with the birds. Here is bedroom number 3. Every bedroom here comes with its own ensuite bathroom. It would make a perfect place to live full time. We're close to school, restaurants, the town of Tamarindo, and here in Hacienda Pinilla, it does super well for rentals. Locals love it as well as expats. Here, the 4th and final bedroom, there's a queen bed, patio doors that take you outside to the terrace. It also has an ensuite and a closet. What I like about this bedroom is the decor. It's super sweet, simple, but yet really beautiful. The condo shares this awesome pool, which is wonderful for dipping off in these hot Costa Rican days. You've got this shallow end, great for kids or if you want to do sunbathing, and you've got a deep end, and it's quite long. It's long enough to swim laps, and I love that it's covered by these beautiful plants. A great thing about Lago Palma Real is there's a second pool. It's huge, wonderful for swimming and cooling off, and it's surrounded by beautiful gardens. Hacienda Pinilla is an adventure park for outdoor enthusiasts. Here you're going to find tennis, pickleball, you can rent bikes, great mountain biking trails, you can also do road biking. There's hiking trails all throughout. You've got an 18-hole golf course, and not only that, you have world-class surf. There is something for everyone here. One of the best things about this condo, it's a 2-minute walk away from Playa Bonita. Can you imagine coming down, waking up in the morning, jumping in the water, or coming to watch the sunset? This is truly paradise and heaven on earth. Hacienda Pinilla has a resort-style swimming pool. It also has a restaurant, a bar. There's a gym here to keep fit. There's a playground, a soccer field, and best of all, you're steps away from this amazing beach. Have you been dreaming about a beach paradise? This is it. A few-minute drive away from the condo, you're going to find Playa Avellanes. You have white sand, beautiful with shells, great for beach walks. It has some of the world-class surfing here. You've got the beach club, you've got everything you need. If you would like to live this dream, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. Have a great day. Pura vida.